Dear student, I am going to discuss about that class 4B chapter 7 today. So the chapter 7 topic is stepwise thinking. So we will understand what is that logical steps and what is that activity we are doing without steps or without thinking. That we understand here that first thing, the stepwise instructions help us to perform any activity. Do you know that we use stepwise thinking in many activities? Suppose you want to send a birthday card to your friend. What should you do? You will follow the following steps. So first step is that tell your parents to get a birthday card for you. Second step is that write the message using sketch color. And third step is that put it inside an envelope and seal it. Fourth step is that write the address on the envelope. Fifth step is that go to the post office and with your parents to buy stamp ticket, and now paste the stamp on the envelope and drop the card in the letter box. The stepwise thinking helps us to perform an activity quickly and easily and in an organized manner. That we understand with one example, that suppose you have to open MS Word program. What that steps you will follow? The steps will be that first you will click on the start button, second all program you will go, and the third you will click on the accessories, and the lastly you will click on the WordPad and you will get that WordPad screen like this. So we follow the steps to perform any task. So these steps we need type in order to perform some task. So dear student, for understanding the steps that in MS Word we do, like that we do many work in our life also, in daily life, that we perform any task in a number of order, we perform some other activity. So performing the big task that we can do. Now we understand another thing, that this activity is given here, that to follow the steps to draw a bird and color it. What the steps we will follow, that we understand. First of all, this one we will draw that outline of this bird. Then second step is this, that initial that eyebrow and these all things we will do. That step by step we will enhance, we will do that some extra things, and finally we will go to the painting and drawing area section. So like that step by step we perform these tasks. And now that you understand second activity that is given here, that Parul is celebrating her birthday, the number of pictures in a correct order as the event took place we have to arrange. So we perform that different order. That's you see here, that first step is that we will list out that to whom we are going to invite in our celebration. Second, we will decorate our all the birthday party place. And the third step is that we Parul mother will create and bring that cake. Okay, after this, that we will move for the fourth step, that we are going to celebrate and we are going to cut the cake. First step we will cut the cake, and sixth step that we will feed, that we will give cake piece to my friend. Parul also will give, and after that we will get a gift also from the friends. These are the steps we follow in a one occasion only, in a birthday party celebration. So my dear student, we are going to discuss about the logical thinking. At first we understand what is the purpose of the logic and what is that logical thinking. Logical thinking is required to solve a problem. We know that we do some task with the help of our knowledge, with the help of our wisdom. We know that how to perform the task and what is the steps we have to follow first, and what are the steps we have to follow at the last. So in order of the ways that we understand first how to perform the task. Before performing any task, we do that thing. First is that identification of the goal, what we need to achieve, that goal, the target, we need to identify that. After that, understanding the giving information, conditions or rules. That means whatever we require that information, whatever we need, which type of conditions we have to perform, These all things we need to understand. And the third step is that work out the solution in the step-by-step manner. So in this way we do the logical thinking. Now that you understand with one example, so pictures are given here. Observe the given patterns and find out the fourth step in the sequence. First step is having here the number of sides 6. Second step is also having here the number of sides 5. And the third step having that number of sides 4. That means the next step will have the number of sides 3. First of all, we will do that. What is the goal? The goal is to find the fourth step in the sequence. The information is available. The sequence of geometrical shape is given here. In the sequence, the first shape has 6 sides. The second has 5 sides. Third has 4 sides. So what is the condition? The given sequence from the one shape to the next, the number of sides is decreasing by 1. The fourth shape should have 4 minus 3, that is third 3 sides. That means the last one will be that triangle. 3 sides will be there. The problem is solved. So in such a way we use our logic and we perform the task. We need goal, information, condition, and we have to perform the solutions step by step. So let us consider that case studies. What is that case studies we perform here, that we understand that how to do? Getting here that you have to go for the school. You have to getting ready for the school. First step, get up from the bed, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear your school uniform, have a breakfast, and sixth step, prepare your school bag and leave home for school. Second, go to bus stop and wait for the school bus arrives. 8, get into the bus and reach to the school. And 9, enter inside the school. These steps we follow one by one, step by step to perform this work, that is going to school. So like that we do all the tasks in our life. That second situation that we understand. Second situation is that case 2, making a cup of tea. You know that you don't know, as I think that is a number of students not knowing, but you can observe and you can ask to your mother how to prepare a cup of tea. So you know that in your house, in your home, that many times that mother preparing the tea for your father, for your guest, for your relatives. So how to prepare that, you ask to your mama. So steps are here given. I explain that is that you understand. Take a pan and pour half cup of water in it. Put the pan on the stove and heat it. That means gas that you will give it. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add half teaspoon tea leaves. Now add half cup of milk and give a sugar. Give a stir. That means you will give that for boiling, that you will wait. After boiling, that 1 minute strain the tea in a cup. And after that tea will be ready and prepared. The case 3rd is here given in your book, that is stepwise thinking for restarting the computer. First is that switch on the main power supply button to the UPS. Switch on the power button of the UPS. After that, switch on the power button on the CPU box. In this way that we start the computer, and after that at last switch on the monitor and wait until the screen appears. That means our desktop appears. That you understand in the key points here. Stepwise thinking helps to perform any activity quickly and easily and in an organized manner. A computer can only work on stepwise instructions given by us. The logical thinking is required to solve a problem. That we move for the next, that exercise section. That first step, that multiple choice question is here. Question number A, multiple choice question 1, A1. A dash works on stepwise instructions given by us, that is computer. Computer also perform the task stepwise. The stepwise thinking helps to perform an activity quickly and easily. Now second question, that B number, that true or false. The first question is that stepwise instruction do not help in performing any activity. False. A computer cannot think and take decisions like us. True. The logical thinking is not required to solve any problem. False. That we move now to the next question, that is question number C, that here given some activity and you have to arrange in order, correctly order. That which one will be the first? First will be that get up from bed. Second will be go to the bathroom. Third will be brush your teeth. Fourth will be have a bath. Fifth, wear your school uniform. And sixth, have a breakfast. And seventh, pack your school bag and leave you for school. Now the exercise for section B, question answer. Why stepwise thinking is important to perform any task? The stepwise thinking helps to perform any activity quickly and easily in an organized manner. The second question is that write the steps to open MS Word WordPad program. The steps given here like the same. The click on the start button, click all program, click accessories, click on WordPad to open it. Now the third last one, that is fun zone, that here given some observation and pattern is here given. You have to complete that. After these last, what shape will be here that you see. In second one, that you see. In third one, that by observation that you can check and you can find. And fourth one, that you see 17 will be here. And fifth one, this. So my dear students, complete this one, understand, question answer given to you, but again I have given in video for your help. So my dear, thank you. Thank you to you all. Subscribe the channel, because time to time I will give the video. That will be better. Automatically you will get that without any message. So you don't miss any video. That will be helpful for you, and share more and more students and get help. Learn something. Be safe. Put mask outside if you go, and be safe, be secure, and be healthy. Thank you.